Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless LAN module, speakers, and battery. Removal. Remove the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board and the USB-C bracket to the base enclosure. Lift the USB-C bracket off of the USB board and remove. Peel back the mylar that secures the USB connector to the USB board. Disconnect the USB cable from its connector on the USB board. Peel back the mylar that secures the two USB ZIF connectors to the USB board. Lift the locking bars up on the two USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the two USB board ribbon cables from the USB board. Grasp the edges of the USB board. Lift it off of the alignment pins. Slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Note, if installing a new USB board, use the metallic USB-C bracket you removed from the old USB board and place it on the new one. Tow the external connectors on the USB board into the cutouts in the base enclosure and lower the USB board onto its alignment pins. Insert the USB board ribbon cables into their ZIF connectors on the USB board and press the locking bars down to lock the cables into place. Reconnect the USB cable to its connector on the USB board. Place the USB-C bracket into position over the USB board. Replace the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board and the USB-C bracket to the base enclosure.